Hi guys, Carmen here with Clean Cut Graphics. On today's video, I would like to show you how to use Siser Aurora and the wonderful 10 new colors that they have. This is a very beautiful spectrum new vinyl that when you move, it changes into colors, but it has a beautiful brush-like finish to it. And look at how beautiful that looks. And I cannot wait to make a t-shirt with you guys showing you how some of these colors work. Again, this is Siser Aurora. Come on with me and let's make a shirt. Alright guys, and for our project, we are going to need the shirt that you're going to make. You're going to need scissors. You're going to need a weeding pin. You are going to need your mat for your desired machine. And of course, don't forget whatever color you choose for your Aurora from Siser. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, let's get started. I have already chosen a decal that I want to cut out. I chose this nice little mermaid decal, and I chose most of the vinyl with the greens and the blues, the teals, and the gold one just to make it fun, because as you see, the colors on these change around and they are just so nice. So let's get started. Alright guys, so for our project, we are going to go ahead and size it the way we want it, which I already have. I'm going to go ahead and send it to make. I am going to put the vinyl shiny side down. Most HTV vinyls, we put a QR code on the shiny sheet, which should tell you that means it goes down. We are going to put it on our mats here. And I am going to insert it. Now, this vinyl is a little thicker. So for this one in particular, the cut settings on a Cricut Air Explorer is light cardstock. As always do a test cut. So I already did a test cut on iron-on and it did not cut. So that told me to go ahead and move my settings a little thicker. As you see right here, the heart did not come out. It stayed completely because it didn't cut all the way through. So that means my settings were off. So I went back and chose light cardstock, which is the same setting I use for glitter. So once I went back and cut it out, you can see this one, it did cut it through. So it's thicker, light cardstock on an Air Explorer 2. If you have a silhouette, if you have any other machine, whatever settings you use for glitter, I would start at that setting and then do a little test cut. Always do a test cut. And if it doesn't work, move on to the next setting up from that one. Alright, so now we're gonna have this cut. On this color, I chose 2 of the letters, and I'm going to choose 2 on the other ones as well until I get all my words on there. And it's done, and let's load the next color. Alright, let's remove our next color and let's load our other color. Let's load this one in and see if we could get some weeding done. Alright, and we are going to hit cut. Let's go ahead and weed this one out. The weeding is not that bad for being as thick as it is. And I know some of you love to use glitter, but glitter could be hard on weeding? Well, this one is much easier, and I really like the iridescent finish to it. The fact that it looks like it's two colors, that's pretty cool. Look at that, all in one pull. Love. Ta-da. Here's another one. And we remove this one. And I believe that's it. Going to get our scissors. We are going to weed this one out. One pull. Would you look at that? And it has like a fabric texture to it, which is pretty cool. Kind of like a flock. Flock is the one that feels like a fabricy, like velvet. Well, this one does have a texture to it. Not exactly flock, but that's our mermaid. The letter M. We need to weed it out all the way. To cut this one out. This one has the two letters, the beginning and the end. I can't wait to see this shirt. M, I'm missing the E, which I believe is going to be, which color did I cut it in? Right here. All right, let's read that one out. All right, let's get our other color on there. And we are going to insert, cut that one out. It's coming out so pretty. These colors are everything. Love. All right, that one's done. Let's take that one out. Let's cut that one out. We could weed that one out. Weed it out real quick. Again, one easy peel. There we go. M-E-R. And here we have two letters. So we are going to go ahead and cut this out. M-E-R. All we need is the letter A. And we're going to cut that one out real quick. Let's cut out our last letter. Insert that. Hit cut, and then we'll have it all set. And we will be ready to press. That was it, quick. We're going to take it out, weed it real quick. All right, we are going to weave this out, and then we are going to move on over to our heat press and press this. There we go. There we go. And we are now ready to press our decal on our shirt. Follow me. All right, guys, now that I have cut and weeded out all of my strips for my decal, I am going to go ahead and press them down here wherever I think is best. I am going to lay them down. There we go. There we go. This one. There we go. Next one. There we go. Now that I have all my strips where I want them, I am going to put my heat press at 305 for 15 seconds. 305 for 15 seconds. And like I said, I put them far enough to where I could go ahead and just press it one time, all at the same time. And this in particular is a medium pressure, so not a heavy pressure. So as you see, as you saw, I just moved this here. This is to make the plate go up or down. So the more down it is, the more firm pressure, and I just lifted it up a little bit, so it's medium pressure. I don't know about your guys' heat presses, but this one that we have here, this Hottronics, has a number on the side. You see that little red light over there? That's gonna tell me 6 and 7 is a medium pressure, and 8 and 9 is a firm pressure. So now that I know that I have my pressure ready to go and my heat settings, I am going to go ahead and press this. Again, the settings are 305 degrees for 15 seconds. And this vinyl in particular is a cold peel. There we go. Now I am going to wait and let it cool down so that we could peel it. All right, guys, let's peel this shirt and see what it looks like. Beautiful. Oh my God. This is so pretty. And this is called Aurora HTV from Siser, guys. Look at that. If you guys are not loving this, then I don't know what to say. This shirt came out so beautiful. The camera does not do it justice. And it has a fun texture to it. So nice. So nice. Order's yours today, guys. Look at that. Thanks for watching today's video on how to use Siser Aurora. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos like this one. I'll see you guys next time.